Hi everyone. Hi you, nice to see you. My name is Hannah. Welcome to this channel. This is the first video, and this video I want to show you how I transformed into this thing. This person right here. This is not me. I don't know if you know, I mean I know you don't know what I look like otherwise, so I'm going to show you now. Yeah. You know, you can become anyone you want to be when you grow up. You can. You really can. Just pick a person and use some makeup. First time using contact as well, like properly. Let me just say, I'm obsessed with brown eyes. I'm obsessed. Where has brown eyes been all my life? So let me know if you have brown eyes and you want to trade for green. We can make a deal. We can make a deal, because if you're interested in watching the full process of me transforming like a transformer, keep on watching. Thank you everyone that watched this far. Let me know what you think of this transformation. It was crazy, right? One day I want to transform so much that even like my own family doesn't recognize me. You know, that would be so sick. I always dreamt of that, I don't know why. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like. Goodbye until next time.